That was cool. WLToys 1214-4017. Brushless, 4-wheel drive, oil-filled shocks. It's very light, doesn't weigh a thing. 4 AA's, there's a protective layer on there. 2200 milliamps, 2 cell. Got the GPS on there, so we'll see how fast it can go. Start. Woo, it's wet. Woo. Let's see. Stop. Read. 60 kilometers an hour. That's great. Now do it again. Start. Check it out. Stop. Read. 62. Once you get to know it, so the switch was off on that jump, so that's all. It's a funny little thing. Whew. Not a lot of grip here. And it gogs, you see. But once you get it rolling, the battery. Let's get to it again. The problem is it cogs and then you put on the trigger and then you don't have a lot of control for lift off. Woo! Yeah! Sounds pretty nice. Cogging, but jump pretty nice. Let's do it again. Oh, there's the battery. It's out. Woo! Jumps pretty nice. Come on, stop cogging. It's not noticeable on pavement, but when you go into high grass, now get a little bit more speed. Ooh. Takes it again. Took it. See the cogging? When you give it a little push, I think it's going to work. Oh, see here? Drive shaft is bent, so we're going to call it a day. But we're back with the WLToys. It amazed me. It's a very cheap thing, and it's quite good. The only thing that bothers me a little bit is that the battery is coming out. It's when you jump and you hit a landing, it comes out. So that's not a good thing. So, but we're going to fix that probably. This is I haven't cleaned it yet, so this is how it looks inside from all the dirt and everything. It's very you have to on loose gravel. It's very uncontrollable, but it's getting used to. The only thing I had was this. It's a bent drive shaft, you see, front one, but with considering the jumps and everything, you can see it over here. It's scraped. Chassis is still very straight, so yeah, to my expectations. I'm gonna put a link in down below. So if you have a child who wants to go into RC and stuff, this is the best thing to buy for it. It's not so expensive. You can have lots of fun with it. It's sturdy. Yeah, I would buy it again. I would definitely recommend it to somebody who's starting with a hobby. It's heaps of fun. So thanks for watching, and consider subscribing if you want like more content. Hit the like button, and see you later all. Bye.